Okay, hi everybody. I am going to show you how to remove green screen and put a background in iMovie. So this is iMovie. I open it up, I select Movie, and I first am going to select the background that I want. So this one happens to be a video background. So I'm going to just select that, not the green screen video yet, and then create movie. And as you can see here, the video that is going to be the background is a little bit smaller than the screen, and it has some stuff at the end we need to edit out. So I'm going to first select the clip and then zoom in on it with the little zoom button, pinch to zoom, and I'm going to zoom in so that it fills the screen about like this. I think that's about where I want it. And then I am going to go to the beginning where it says youtube.com, and I'm going to delete that. So I'm going to select and remove that until it disappears. Okay, so at the beginning of the clip. Oh, I'm going to have to remove the audio too. That sound is not going to be wanted on the video, so I select volume at the bottom and then I put it down to 0. And then I wanted to look at the end, remove that at the end. So I'm going to select that and then move it to the left a little bit. Okay, so now this is the clip that I like, that I want for the background. And most of you will probably just have an image, which you can make sure that you have just as you like it. So now we are going to put the green screen video. So I select video and find my green screen video. There it is. And I have to tap on it. And I have to tap those 3 dots because I need to add it with the green-blue screen right there. So green-blue screen, that will automatically transform it so that you can see it in the background, okay? And so this is before. I'm going to move this over so that it's at the beginning right there. But as you can see, the problem here is that it is longer than the clip of the background. So I'm going to have to duplicate that. So it looks good in the background. Let me play it, make sure.
You know, I'm not very athletic, but I enjoy watching sports. What about you, Miss Melissa?
You know, I can't say I've ever played a sport in my entire life, but I support those who do. I think you might have.
I do.
Okay, so it is sounding and looking good so far, but the problem is that it ends when the background clip ends. But this clip is actually like 6 minutes long. So I'm going to have to select the background, and I'm going to have to go to Actions and duplicate it. Duplicate. See how the green screen video on the top there is extending once I extend the background. So I'm going to have to keep duplicating that. Duplicate until it reaches the end of the green screen video. Duplicate. Oh, there it is. That's the end. Okay, so I think that's the end, right?
For watching the WeekLEE news.
Okay, so that's the end.
That was so much fun. Let's do that.
And I am going to just shorten that a little bit because of the fact that I don't need it that long. So that's enough. It's okay if it overhangs a little bit. We can just cut that when we import this video into CapCut, or if we continue editing here. Oh, this is funny.
Oh, it's so cold in here.
They had fun with this video. Okay, all right. So that is how you change the background, and then we just tap on done, and then we are going to save the video. Save video, and then it will appear in your Photos app. Exporting, and then so when you add text, you will either do that after you export it and CapCut, when you do it in CapCut, or you can continue doing it in iMovie if you prefer that. Okay, so those are your choices. Hope you enjoyed that brief tutorial, and thanks for watching.